Most people use ChatGPT wrong. Here is one trick that instantly makes every answer better. The way most people use ChatGPT looks like this. They type a question, they get an answer, they move on. Something like, give me a marketing plan for my full stock marketing training institute. And ChatGPT gives back something completely generic. Social media tips, content marketing advice, maybe a line about the paid ads. Looks useful, but it is not, because ChatGPTs know nothing about your institute, your city, your students, your budget, and what you have already tried. You gave it a question with no context, so it gave you an answer with no real value. Here is what you do instead. Before asking your actual question, type this one line. Before asking, ask me 5 questions that will help you give better answer. That single line changes everything. Now ChatGPT stops and asks you, what city is your institute based in? And then, what is your monthly marketing budget? What courses do you currently offer? What marketing have you already tried? So but now it has a real context after you give all the answers. So now it understands your actual situation, and the answer it gives you after those 5 questions is built specifically for your institute and not for everyone. It's just for you. Now let me show you the difference. Without the trick, ChatGPT says something like, use social media to build awareness, create content, and run paid ads. It's very, very generic. It could apply to any business anywhere. With the trick, after asking those 5 questions, so ChatGPT says, based on your location in Hyderabad, you focus on working professionals and a budget of 20,000 rupees per month. Start with LinkedIn ads targeting IT professionals. Run WhatsApp referral campaigns to your existing students. And then publish 2 YouTube videos in a week on AI and digital marketing skills. Same tool, same questions, but completely different results. This works for almost anything, be it business plans or it is resume reviews, fitness routines, content creation, client proposal, or career advice. Anytime you are about to ask ChatGPT something important, use this prompt first. Think of it like a consultant. If you walked in and asked for advice without sharing any details, you would get a generic answer. But give them 5 minutes of context and the advice completely changes. ChatGPT works exactly the same way. Open ChatGPT right now and try this. You can type, before answering, ask me 5 questions that will help you give a better answer, and then ask your question. You will be surprised how much smarter ChatGPT suddenly becomes. This one prompt will change how you use AI forever. So you might want to share this with one person who uses ChatGPT daily but is still getting generic answers. You can follow TrainingWale for more AI tricks and digital marketing tips every week.